Let's understand about the machining operations that are performed on a CNC lathe. Facing. Facing is the operation that removes material from the end face of a cylindrical workpiece to make the surface flat. The tool moves along the x-axis towards the center of the workpiece. Plane turning or straight turning. Plane turning is the operation that removes excess material from a cylindrical workpiece to reduce its diameter. Diameter of the workpiece is maintained along the x-axis. Taper turning. Taper turning is the operation that removes excess material from a cylindrical workpiece to produce a conical shape. Since the tool moves at an angle, there is simultaneous movement along the x-axis and the z-axis. Chamfering. Chamfering is the operation that gives a sloping edge to the sharp ends of a workpiece. The cutting tool moves at an angle to the spindle axis to form a sloping edge. Radius profile. Radius profile is the operation that gives a radius to the sharp ends of a workpiece. There is simultaneous movement along the x-axis and the z-axis to form a radius. Drilling. Drilling is the operation of making cylindrical holes in a solid workpiece. Drill is used for drilling operation. The tool moves along the z-axis to control the depth of the hole. Boring. Boring is the operation for enlarging an already existing hole. For enlarging the existing hole, a single point boring tool is used. In boring operation, bore size of workpiece is controlled along the x-axis, and length is controlled along the z-axis. Grooving. Grooving is the operation of making a groove on the cylindrical surface of the workpiece. A grooving tool is used for making grooves on the workpiece. The tool moves along the x-axis to control the depth of the groove. The tool moves along the z-axis to control the width of the groove. Threading. Threading is the operation of producing helical grooves on a cylindrical surface. For producing helical grooves, a threading tool is used. In threading, thread height is controlled along the x-axis, and thread length is controlled along the z-axis. Parting. Parting is the operation that cuts off a cylindrical workpiece into two pieces. A parting tool is used to cut off the workpiece. the tool moves along the x-axis, towards the center of the workpiece.